So the next question on CodeChef is Valentine gifts from start 120. In this problem, we are given a budget of X, which we'll have to use for gifting over the 7 days. In this problem, we have to define a budget for each day in such a way that for a day X, the amount X should be greater than should be greater should be at least twice the amount of the previous day. Let's say on Monday, if a person gave a gift of value X, on Tuesday, that person should give a gift of value more than 2X. The input format for the problem are number of test cases and budget X for each test case. And we will have to print if it is possible for the chef to give gifts in this manner or not. The constraints of the questions are test cases can go up to 500 and budget at max can go up to 500.
So let's get on to the approach of solving the question. First, the approach is basically we are being given, we have been told, as told earlier, that the price of the gift should be a positive value, and on like each other day, the price should be more than twice the current day, right? So instead of one thing we can do is we can calculate, we can take the X, and for each X we can keep dividing it by 2 for 7 times, and then we can calculate it. But a better approach would be to rather check for the minimum value. Like it has been told that the first gift can be any positive value, right? And if we check for the minimum, so if it works for the minimum, it will also work for the rest. So for the first day, the minimum positive value, what can be the minimum positive value? It can be 1. So if 1 is the minimum positive value on the first day, the second day it should be at least 2. Similarly, the third day it will be 4. The fourth day it will be 8. The fifth day it will be 16. The sixth day it will be 32. And the seventh day it will be 64. So a minimum budget that the chef should have to gift Chepina the way he wishes should be 127 at least. So a basic thing, instead of checking for every number differently, what we can do is we can check if chef's budget X is greater than or equal to 127. So if that is the case, like even if it is 127, chef will be able to gift. And if it is more than that, he'll be able to give something better. But yeah, he will be able to gift. So if this is the case, then yeah, a chef will be able to gift, or else he won't. So that is the basic approach. And the time complexity of this approach, as you can see, that the loop like there's no loop. It will just run only for the number of test cases it's going. So for each test case, the time complexity will be over 1. And as we are not using anything like an array or something, so the space complexity will also be over 1. So yeah, that's it.